Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So it's a very big thing for everyone to celebrate this Jayanti with all of us, all our educated people present here. He has worked so hard in his life that we can today live and educate, as he said, educate, agitate, and organize in his all his life to just uh, just make us live and and just live like live like a person, live like a man, and just be what we are. He has done a lot of things for us and worked so hard so that women can go out and do whatever they want. A person who was sitting in the house for so many years, but in the thoughts that cannot do anything, or he is the inferior person in this world, he can now be the person who can elect in this world. He can be the person who can just go to abroad and teach whoever he wants, not just learning, but he can also do the teachings. And also the children who were first not allowed to learn in the schools, they are now able to teach others in various places. Today, our constitution, he's the leader, and he has made the constitution, he has drafted the constitution in just 2 years, in almost 3 years. It is a very big thing for us, and we should celebrate his day, we should celebrate his life, we should celebrate what he has done all his life for just being his just being the person he was, and just let us teach what he has done all his life, because all we do is just say on the stage and we just give a lot of speeches, but what we don't understand is we should implement his thoughts, we should implement what he has done all his life and what he has tried all his life for us to do now in the future and the future. So it's the time to have a look for his views. It's important to look by his perspective as well. Perspective is important because what we do is just learn, it's just read what he has said or what he has wrote. But what we lack in understanding is what he said actually and what were his views, what were his perspectives. His perspectives are known by very less of us. So it is important to know his perspectives. And I would say that on 16th of April, Samrat Ashok Jayanti is also there. We should celebrate that also. Many people have forgotten that Bhagwan Buddha also existed. So many people had forgotten this. So, and Samrat Ashok was the person who gave a new life to Bauddha Dharma. He gave a new life. He has sculpted on the many of the caves. He sculpted many things. And when papers were not invented, he wrote on the caves. Today we see Ajanta caves and so many other caves. The caves are his inventions. Whatever we see, the historical places are his inventions. He was the Samrat, he was the Raja, he was the king who said it and who introduced Buddha Dhamma. After that, obviously, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar also gave us the Dhamma, but Samrat Ashok was the first one to introduce us to the Buddha Dhamma. So it is important to celebrate his Jayanti as well. In all of this world, we celebrate Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti, that's really good. We celebrate Bhagwan Buddha Jayanti, that is also very good. But we forget that Samrat Ashok was also there. He was also there to tell us about Bhagwan Buddha. He was there to spread Buddhism all over the world. His two kids, Mahendra and Sanghamitra, they opted Buddha Dhamma in their life. We all know, very few of us know this. They both opted Buddha Dhamma in their life and followed Buddhism in all their life. We have this universities, Takshashila University, Nalanda University, and these universities are very famous, and they are in India. We don't have to go to abroad to teach many of the things. They were in India. So Buddhism taught us a lot of things. Buddhism is a great invention. It is a great thing that happened to us, and we should celebrate it with great joy, and not just celebrate it in the way like having all the bad things, doing all the bad things like drinking and all. But we should celebrate it what Baba Saheb Ambedkar liked it. We should celebrate it in the way what Samrat Ashok liked it. We should celebrate in their perspectives, not just how we want. Just wearing new clothes and having this all these things and playing songs does not mean a Jayanti. Jayanti is what we give knowledge to others, and what we tell Baba Saheb to others, what we tell Samrat Ashok to others, what we tell Bhagwan Buddha to others, not just to enjoy and dance in the night on the DJ on the DJ. So it is about what we learn and what we live. Thank you.